Hey, it's Clay from Vase and BikeBandit.com, and today I want to introduce you to the Sea-Doo VTS, which stands for the Variable Trim System. Here's what's hot. The Sea-Doo Sparks. They're small, they're nimble, and they're so much fun to ride. But what's great about them is they have an upgraded model, the Trix, and the Trix is full of all these little cool customizable things that allow you to play with the boat in different manners. Well, the basic Sea-Doo Spark doesn't come with everything needed, so you can actually upgrade to some of those Trix parts, like the VTS. So it comes in this cool box, it comes with everything you need, and it's super easy to install. So let's take a peek what's inside the box when you get from Sea-Doo. So inside of here comes the button. The button actually places within the plastic molding that actually goes and mounts right onto your handlebars. You've got the electric plug-ins here, the wires, and of course, zip ties. But it doesn't end there. Sea-Doo does this really cool little trick is instead of actually giving you 7 pages of instructions, they give you this simple thing that says, go to the instructions website. So the install is not in here in the instructions, it's actually on their website, which is pretty common these days. So go to the instructions, how to install it. Everything you need is here to convert from a standard trim system to this variable trim system that allows the nozzle to move up and down to adjust how the boat rides on the water. So there you have it, the Sea-Doo VTS, which is available at Vase Power Sports in San Diego, California, or you can order from the comfort of your own home from BikeBandit.com. Did you like our video? Well, if so, give us a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for even more exclusive reviews, project builds, and special content. And while you're at it, like our Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter by clicking the links in the description.